Today we've got some exciting news from YouTube that's sure to make content creators happy. Good news, creators. The YouTube CEO said in the latest article, "Our updated erase song tool helps you easily remove copyright-claimed music from your video while leaving the rest of your audio intact."
Oh my God! Wow!
This AI-powered algorithm can identify and seamlessly remove copyrighted music, ensuring your video stays intact without compromising on audio quality. However, YouTube notes that in some cases, the tool may not successfully remove all copyrighted material. If that happens, creators can explore other options like muting or trimming the claimed segments. This tool is especially useful for live content creators who film in public places where copyrighted music might inadvertently play in the background. So, if you've ever faced issues with copyrighted music in your videos, this updated erase song tool could be your solution. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials on how to make the most of it.